Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring the device has enough charge and that you can follow Talkback gestures. Two-finger swipes scroll lists when Talkback speaks. Once ready, open settings using the gear icon in Quick Settings or the app drawer. Talkback may read each item, but you can double-tap to activate items and single-finger swipe to move. Make sure you're in the main settings view. This avoids accidental actions and gets you to the accessibility controls quickly so we can turn Talkback off. From Settings, go to Additional Settings, then Accessibility. Some Redmi builds list accessibility directly, so check both. Talkback may be labeled Screen Reader. Use double tap to open the accessibility menu while Talkback is enabled, and two-finger scroll to move through long lists. Once you find Talkback, double tap the entry to open its controls. This screen shows the toggle and any service permissions. We're here to disable the service, so confirm you're on the Talkback settings page before changing anything. Double tap the Talkback toggle to switch it off, and then confirm on the dialog that appears. This disables the accessibility service and restores standard touch behavior. If it doesn't stop, reboot the phone and try again. On stubborn cases, boot to safe mode to disable third-party accessibility apps. Also check if a volume key shortcut toggles Talkback on your Redmi. Press both volume keys for 3 seconds to toggle on some builds. If problems persist, note the exact ROM and model before seeking more.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.